Hello, I'm Brian Barclay, Director of Sales at Duravent, leaders in venting innovation for over 60 years. Today I'd like to talk to you about the updates to the cartons for PVL PelletVent. As you can see here, we've updated them. We've added color graphics on all four sides. It is multilingual, so it is in English, Spanish, and French. We've also added cut lines, so it can go properly into the planogram, helps clean that up. Like I said, it does have the information that explains within the box. We do have a color image that shows where in the installation it goes. We do have the verbiage that explains that particular part. So that were the changes that we've made for the 2021 season. The next thing I'd like to talk to you about is the update to the 3 PVL AIK kit. It used to come in a very large white box, no graphics, nothing on it. As you can see, we've updated the image. Also multilingual, comes in English, French, and Spanish. Does talk about what's in the box, does have the install diagram like we've showed in the past. This particular thing is allow the air to come into the stove from outside. It's designed for certain codes and installations, things like that. So anyways, these are the changes that we've made for 2021. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please check out more videos at the Duravent YouTube channel. Have a great one.